Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's say today's problem, remove duplicates. So what the problem is saying is we'll be given a string without spaces. The task is to remove all duplicate characters from it, keeping only the first occurrence. The original order of characters must be the same. Okay, the expected time complexity is O of n and the expected space complexity is O of 1. Okay, so what the problem is saying is they'll be given a string, right? And what we want to do return is we want to return or we want to remove all the duplicate characters. Okay, and we want to just keep the only the first occurrences of those characters and the order must be the same. So for example, if we look here, right? So what are the duplicate characters in this, right? So v is the duplicate. Okay, so we'll remove this v. Okay, we want to keep the first occurrence of the v, right? So we'll remove this v, z, v and o. Okay, so this will be the output. Okay, okay, now if you see, so we also what we are keeping the first occurrence of the character, right? This one and not this one, right? And also we need to maintain the order which we are keeping here. So the order should not be like this O V Z final, right? The final output should not be like that. It should be the in the order which was there in the input. Okay, so that's what the problem is saying. Okay, so now how can we solve this problem? So it's an easy category problem. So what we can do is we will iterate through through the string, right? Through the characters of the string, right? And we'll record for example, right? So we'll maintain a set. Now this problem can be solved using various approaches, right? So one is unordered set, right? One is set basically. One is hash map. Okay, and another one is frequency array. That is, we take a size of 26 characters, right? And we just check with we just keep the track of the frequency of the characters. Okay, so we'll solve using this problem set. Okay, so it's one of all these are the same, right? Okay, so all these data structures, right? They are going to take the space of what O of 26. Okay, but here since it is fixed, right? Since it is a constant space, so we can say it is O of 1. It is O of 1. It is not taking extra space because it is always taking the constant space 26. So we can ignore or we can say that it is going to take O of 1. Okay. Okay, so let's quickly see what we're going to do. So now what we'll do is we'll start iterating. We'll check whether it is present in set or not, right? It is not present. We'll add in the set and we'll add into our the resultant string. Okay, Z. Okay, then we come to this character. Okay, we'll check whether it is present in set or not. No, it is not present. We'll add in the set and we'll add in the resultant string as well. Okay, next we come across this character. We'll check it is present in set. Yes, it is present in set. So we'll ignore this character. Okay, next is O, right? We'll check in the set. It is not there. We'll simply add in the resultant string. So we are done iterating the string. So we have this resultant string which will return. Okay, in at the end. Okay, so this is the intuition behind solving the problem. I hope you have got the intuition. Let's quickly see the code. Before going to the code, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So first I'll show you the Java code followed by C++. Okay, so let's create a set. Okay, of let's create a character set only. Okay, set equal to new hash set. Okay, simply iterate tr.to char array. Okay, now we'll check if set dot contains this character C. We'll say if it not contains, then only, and also we need to take a resultant, right? So we'll take a string builder here because appending each character won't create a new string. Okay, if we had used a string only instead of string builder, it would have created new string. So we don't want that. Okay, so we'll append this character, append C, right? And then also before this, we'll also add set dot add C. Okay, so that the next time this character comes, we'll simply ignore that character. Okay, finally, simply we want to return sb dot to string. So this is the program. So let's compile this. Let's submit it. Yes, the test cases are passed. Thanks for watching. I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. Let's quickly see the C++ code as well. So here's the C++ code. Here we have taken unordered set. Okay. And simply what we are doing is we are iterating through the string. We are checking whether if it is not present, then only first add the character into the set and then add into the resultant string, which is S. Okay. And simply written S. So this is the solution. I hope you've got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great Sunday. Thank you so much.